That big old thread in there so you can move it fast. That's what that big thread's about. It also helped buckshot so you can clean that out. A better idea was a sliding bar clamp. So by necessity, they needed to leave that big thread in there so the buckshot could be cleaned out. The problem with that big Acme thread is you have no torque capabilities. A machine thread will give you that. So what we did is we created a machine thread with a double throw. You got a right hand to a left hand. So I got a mechanical advantage. So I got the speed. I got the speed of an Acme thread, but I have the power of a machine thread. So I'm gaining both. Also a piston. It doesn't rotate. It just goes straight out. Think of a hydraulic ram. The big advantage there, that rotates, it's going to spit it out every time. This guy has a nice foot down here to hold it level. It's got a cross hatch to help you center up the pipe. It's got a brake system here.